Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another Dollar Tree haul. This is technically the second part to the household items. I just wanted to do them separate this time. I wanted to do my Easter stuff and all the beauty stuff I found because I found quite a few new beauty things and I wanted to share them in separate videos. I have some really cute Easter finds, and the first one is this bunny. How cute is he? They had these in yellow, purple, and pink, I believe, as well as this blue. Of course I got blue. I got blue for Connor. This could be a really giant prize egg. You could use this for a jello mode even. I'm probably going to fill it with like some candies and things like that. And every time they have these cute little cups, I always grab him one. This one just happens to be lime green, and the straw is white and green stripes like a candy cane, and has this cute little chickie on it. And you know, they had some that said Happy Easter. They had these in blue and pink and the green shade, and I thought the green was the cutest. Go with the basket theme here, and this is the basket that I picked him out this year, and it's kind of like a monster kind of thing face. I thought he would really enjoy this basket, and I know him pretty well obviously, so I know that he will, and I just thought it was fun. So we're gonna fill this with fun goodies. I did find this, and I thought this was absolutely adorable, and I know he's going to love this. Mr. Bunny ball shooter. And it comes with 3 balls. It comes with a bunny laying on his back, and you put the balls up here, and you press his belly, and it shoots the balls out. I also picked up this glitter putty, and whenever they start coming out with their seasonal stuff, I always try to grab kind of quickly when I'm there, because they do sell out of stuff, and I just like having a head start on all the holidays. Yes, I like to get things done. I still don't like to wait till the last minute. And I also picked up this reusable modeling foam beads. I don't know how well this stuff's going to work out, but I thought that all these items paired well together. Plus, I'll be filling this bucket full of candies. So a good start to his little Easter basket. And since this is largely going to be a beauty haul, I put all the beauty, health and beauty items in this video, and I wanted to shed some light on some things that I don't see a lot of people on YouTube hauling or talking about, and if they do haul it, they don't show it. But these are the Assured brand panty liners. These are regular size. They are individually wrapped, you guys, unscented, and you get 40 in here. 40 panty liners. These are decent quality panty liners. You can use them for light period days or just to wear every day. This is such a great deal. 40 for $1, and they are comparable to Always. The next item is, and these are their maxi thins, and these are in the size super unscented, and you get 16 for $1. Now let's say, yes, you might prefer Always or Stay Free or whatever sanitary napkin that you personally prefer. Maybe you prefer Wings. They have different options at the Dollar Tree. They even have name brand options at the Dollar Tree. But if you're in a pinch, on a budget, and you're low on cash, just know that you can go to the Dollar Tree and get you 16 maxi pads for $1. And I've used these in the past that are decent quality. They do what they're supposed to do. They get the job done. Another really awesome health beauty item you can find at the Dollar Tree, name brand Secret Powder Fresh deodorant. This is 1.7 ounces. For $1. This is the solid form. You can get a ton of different other deodorants at the Dollar Tree as well. You can find Arm & Hammer Speed Stick and the Lady Speed Stick as well. Sometimes you can even find name brand razors, all kinds of name brand stuff that you can find at your local Dollar Tree to help you save money. So what's not to love about finding your favorite name brand things for $1. I want to take a quick break from the health and beauty items to share with you some fun candle finds. So I found this votive holder, and it's like a mermaid scale kind of print. They had this in a purple and a blue as well. Very beautiful gradient ombre kind of candle holder too. It's silver on the inside, and I just love this. I got the blue, green, yellow fade, and I'm going to use this for eyeliners or something. I don't want to put any candles in there, but this is very beautiful. And you cannot beat finding stuff like that for $1 at the Dollar Tree. Now, I did pick up a couple candles real quick here. I got the Old Williamsburg Caramel Drizzle. You guys know how I feel about caramel and maple and peppermint Dollar Tree scents. They're awesome. These are just the mason jar candles, and once again, I always say this, but these are perfect gifts. So I got caramel drizzle, and I also got the berry crumble. This one smells really good. It reminds me of strawberry jam. It smells so good. So I picked those candles up, and they had a ton of t-shirts yesterday. A lot of youth size t-shirts. I did pick up one. I picked up Connor. It's a basic tee, so I'm not gonna try to fit it in frame or nothing, but youth tees for $1. This was medium for Connor, and this is like a burnt orange shade. It is just a plain Jane t-shirt. They had gray, they had teal, they had blues and oranges. That burnt orange, they had pinks and peaches and any shade you could think of, really. They had a ton. I did pick up this beautiful scarf, and I hadn't purchased any scarves for a long while, but I have really long hair, and I had been in the habit of braiding scarves in my hair, so I think I might start doing that again, or just wearing this wrapped up in my ponytail or something. Beautiful floral prints. I could not pass this up. I didn't need it. I just wanted this. Very beautiful though. Very, very beautiful. Dollar Tree has so many beautiful items that people that saw you out on the street wouldn't even know that you paid $1, you know, for this head wrap scarf. Oh, I didn't. It's got a beautiful bird on there. I just now noticed that. Way to go, Abby. Anyways, there's a butterfly too. Very beautiful. Also, this would be a beautiful little thing to film on top of. So, yeah. These are repeat purchases, but I always like to show them because don't overpay for your cotton balls. This is the Assured brand. They're 100% pure cotton balls. They give you all these ideas down here of how to use these, what to do with them, and I do agree with their claim. They are soft, gentle, and absorbent. You get 100 for $1, okay? 100 for $1, okay? What's not to love there? Like, that is such a great deal. I use these for toner, witch hazel. I use these for nail polish removal. Another cotton product I purchase all the time from them is the pure cotton rounds. And there's 80 in here. Now, these don't like tear apart that easily. They don't leave lint all over your face, if you know what I'm talking about, and you're removing your makeup. I like these for makeup removal. And you can use these for nail polish. Use these to apply your toner, your witch hazel, whatever it is. You can do all kinds of sorts of stuff with these. So, yes, love those. Typically, I don't buy my nail polish remover from the Dollar Tree, because I love the Onyx nail polish remover, 100% acetone, at Walmart. It's like $2.50. But I did find this yesterday, and it's 6 fluid ounces, 100% acetone. My Dollar Tree just recently, because I saw this last time I was there, and this Swan brand started carrying different types of nail polish remover, and they started carrying the acetone. So I had to grab it and show you guys that if you're in a pinch on a budget and can't get the Onyx nail polish remover, or it's out of stock at Walmart, over at your local Dollar Tree, you can now find 100% acetone nail polish remover. This is a maximum strength nail polish remover, and it easily removes gel and glitter nail polish. If you love wearing glitter nail polish, but it's very hard to get off and you tend to not wear it because it's so hard to get off, get yourself some acetone. It's a game changer, and you'll be wearing glitter nail polish all the time. So this is such a good find at the Dollar Tree. Another really good health and beauty item to buy at the Dollar Tree are these elastics. Hair ties, ponytail holders, whatever you want to call them. They typically come in lots of fun colors, muted colors, hair tone colors, but you can get 40 of these clasp-free hair ties for $1. All kinds of clips and headbands and everything. Any hair kind of related thing, I typically buy at the Dollar Tree. They even have bobby pins to match your hair color. So Dollar Tree is a great place to pick up hair ties. I know, this video is a little lengthy. So I did pick up these Sassy and Chic fashion nails. There is 12 pieces in here for $1. Now, I do hear mixed reviews about these. Some people love them, some people hate them, some people say they're flimsy. I don't know. I've used these in the past and they've been fun. They come in lots of different fun designs. This is like a travel print and I just had to have it. Unfortunately, I could only find one package of this print, but the Dollar Tree also sells the glue that you'll need to use with these. I personally like the press tabs, so that's what I'm going to use for these because I like a more temporary option versus the glue. And they have so many fun prints of these, you guys. You cannot sleep on these. Sometimes they have neon shades, they have floral prints, they have animal prints, glittery ones, just solid basic colors, the French manicure, fun designs like this. $1 manicure, come on, you can't pass that up. That's such a great deal. And you could get a pack of these and a glue for $2 and have a manicure for like a week long. Would be perfect for special occasions. Also, once you apply these and you get tired of the design, you can always repaint them. I have in the past, I have videos where I repaint Ellie Colors fake nails and stuff, so, and you can stamp over top of them. So many things you can do with false nails. I love that. Okay, so this is a repeat for me. I had recently found the facial toner in the watermelon and aloe from Bolero. I love this. Just know this is a good facial toner and I am loving it. I found a new Bolero face mask, new to me, the watermelon and aloe. Now the Dollar Tree is a really good place to find the facial mask now. Any kind of facial treatments and things like that. The Dollar Tree has a lot of that stuff covered now. And I think it is a great deal. Definitely purchase face mask at the Dollar Tree. Have chapped lips? Here's a solution. I found this RVO Tropical Coconut Lip Balm, vitamin E and aloe, and this soothes and moisturizes, provides long-lasting moisturizing lip care. Now see, this is a lip balm, lip care kind of item. Very good quality lip balms you can find at the Dollar Tree. You can find Palmer's, you can find Vaseline brand, so many. Chap Ice. You can even find the Chapstick brand. So many name brand products you can find at the Dollar Tree for just $1. There's so many great lip care options at the Dollar Tree as well. So I just wanted to grab this one and share that with you, and I can't wait to try it out. Lots of fun LA Colors finds today. First item I have is another lip scrub. I recently did a review. Lots of you told me that yours was gritty. It did work. It was a very good lip scrub. I couldn't wait until I could find some more in the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree, I think, had these in new flavors, new scents. This one is sweet and it's just a red one. They did have like a yellow one, they had a green one, I think, a pink one. So all kinds, and and this one's named Sweet. The other one I had was mint and it was a total dud. So I'm so excited to try the lip scrub again. I fell in love with these lip oils and so did a lot of you. I did a full review on that and I got grape today. They had mint, they had watermelon, and they had strawberry at my store yesterday. But I did pick up the grape because I already have the watermelon and I have vanilla. These are so hydrating, moisturizing on the lips. It's unbelievable. Such good quality. And I can tell you these are way cheaper than that Milani lip oil. I also picked this up in mint today. Now these are awesome. Not only are they hydrating and moisturizing for your lips, but did you know these can help you with those stubborn matte lipsticks that we all love to wear? Yeah. Yeah, you'll need to watch that review. It's other tips in there as well. So I did find the lip oils. I probably should have bought more. I found a new eye product from LA Colors. This is their eye marker. They had this in brown, black, and this blue shade here. I got the blue one. It says this is smudge proof. It's slim felt tip, 0.02 fluid ounces, a very small amount of product. But we're going to test these out. We're going to do a review, so definitely stay tuned for that. This is just like a marker tipped eyeliner. And I did get it in black. Same thing, small amount of product, slim felt tip, smudge proof. So we're going to test all this stuff out. We're going to test all the little claims it makes on the back. And we're going to do a review. So definitely stay tuned for that LA Colors review. I'm excited to try those though. They also had other like lipsticks and glitters and all kinds of fun stuff at the Dollar Tree yesterday. But this stuff was most intriguing to me. And randomly I found a LA Colors brow brush. And this is a dual-ended brush. And you have an angled tip up here and you have a spoolie down here. Easily fills, shapes, and grooms brows. Now, the only reason why I feel that they came out with this is so that they could sell it separately from the next product I'm going to share with you. When I saw this yesterday, I hopped on it. They had this in soft brown at my store, medium brown, and dark brown. I did get soft brown because I like a little bit of softer shade and not a warm tone in my brows. So I did pick up this soft brown. It was the cooler tone of the brow products they had to choose from there. And this is a brow cream gel. Effortlessly outline, fill, and texturize brows. I cannot wait to try this out for you guys. You get 0.12 ounces of product in this. You can't grab about $1. I mean, come on. I am so excited. So once again, we're going to put this to the test. We're going to see if it does what it claims. And I am just so excited. Like, all these awesome new LA Colors products to play with. And y'all already know, I love makeup. So this is so much fun to me. You can also, the Dollar Tree, I just want to say, is a great place to buy makeup products. Sometimes you can find hard candy there, Wet n Wild, Revlon, Sally Hansen nail polishes, a ton of different stuff you can always find at the Dollar Tree in your makeup aisle. And you can look fabulous for $1. No one has to know that you have LA Colors eyeshadow on and LA Colors eyeliner. You still look like $1 million, honey. And all while you got the same effect with that makeup that they got with $200 worth of makeup on their face. You guys know that if you watch my channel a lot. Definitely stay tuned for reviews and tutorials using all these new LA Colors products. I know this was a lengthy talky video, but I just had to share. I hope you guys enjoyed it and will stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, ring the bell, comment. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to check that description box for additional Dollar Tree links as well.